Good morning. It's Fish, the Beach Bum Investor, here with a bit of a cryptocurrency report. In the last 24 hours, there has been some interesting movements in the market, especially with Bitcoin Cash, and it has actually prompted action on Coinbase. I'm just going to flick over to the screen now and share an article with you. Okay, the Sydney Morning Herald actually coming up with the news first, or at least that I could find. Coinbase suspends Bitcoin Cash, investigates insider trading. It's an interesting article talking about how the price of Bitcoin Cash raised significantly or gained significantly on several exchanges prior to the release of the news that Bitcoin Cash was going to be added to the exchange. It was one of the worst kept secrets in the crypto economy. It had been heavily rumored that Bitcoin Cash was going to be added to the exchange. And it prompted this response from the CEO, Brian Armstrong. Armstrong said he will not hesitate to fire any employee found to have violated Coinbase policies, which bar them from trading on material, non-public information, such as when an asset will be added to the platform. Obviously, there has been some leakage of that information into the market because it was a very strong rumour and has played out. It will be interesting to see whether anything comes of this investigation. Now for some more news, let's cross over to Fish in the Surf. Fish?
Yeah, thanks very much, Fish. Beautiful day here on the Gold Coast. The clouds were looming before, but they're starting to bugger off quicker than the Confido developers after ICO. The big winners overnight, Verge up another 100%. Was touching 15 cents when I left this morning for a surf. Incredible growth in the last week. 1,000% in the last week. Two big gainers in the market, which we've sort of called coming, are the file storage coins, Sia Storj and Storj, having really good 24-hour periods. Things to keep an eye out for is the Lightning Network fork happening on the 23rd of December, coming up in just a few days. Should increase scalability for Bitcoin and speed, obviously, as well. Cut down those transaction fees. All accounts are that the test has gone quite well. The other thing to keep an eye out for, two forks coming up for Bitcoin God on the 25th of December, and Bitcoin 2X is back on the card, scheduled for the 28th of December. That's back to you in the studio, Fish.
Yeah, thanks very much, Fish, and a great report there. All right, let's have a look at the rest of the market and have a look at some of those coins that Fish did mention. The overall market has been fairly steady, with the market cap still in excess of 600 billion at 614.6 billion. The 24-hour trade volume is high at 57 billion. BTC dominance has slipped significantly to 45%. Bitcoin is down to 16,541. Did hit as low as 15,000 in trading only a few hours ago. If we go to the view all, we'll see the in the last hour it has actually just started to come back. Ethereum's hovering around the $800 mark, fairly steady over the last 24 hours with just a slight drop of 0.7%. Bitcoin Cash has been one of the big gainers, of course, getting added to Gdax and to Coinbase. That's seen its price increase significantly, 38% in the last 24 hours. Dash is continuing on strong growth patterns, up another 34%, was actually touching $1,600 a coin this morning, has come back a little bit and then started to regain again, just 2% in the last hour. It has been a super volatile market in the last 24 hours. One of the big gainers, as Fish mentioned, has been Verge. It's been growth on growth on growth, hitting almost 1,000%, was actually touching those 1,000% mark and hitting almost 15 cents earlier this morning. It's just coming back now, which can be expected after such big growth. Now a $2 billion market cap coin. Excellent work for Verge. The file storage coins of Sia coin, I'm just trying to find here on the market cap. Here it is, number 35. Sia coin is now up to 2.4 cents and up 54% in the last 24 hours and up 130%, over double your money in the last 7 days. And the other one that is doing well is the other storage coin, Storj, S-T-O-R-J, a little bit further down the market cap, just trying to find it here. There it is there, number 90. So it has also come up 18.27% in the last 24 hours and 56% in the last week. The file storage coin's doing very well in the last 7 days. Well, that's about it for today's market wrap. We'll catch you in a few hours for the live cryptocurrency discussion and report. See you then. Fish out.